God Jul! Good Jul to all SAC members. We're hoping to see you up here at West Wines. If you can make it up here, we have a special offer valid until the end of January. A free seated tasting at a reserved table for two, and you will be club member for a day, so you will also enjoy some of the club discounts. And to reserve this, go to our website, and when you sign up, put in the comment field that you are a SAC member. But you may not be able to come up here. So for those of you who cannot come and visit, we have a special offer for wine. It's 12 bottles a case, and you will get a 25% discount. You can pick whichever wines you want and put it as an order of 12 bottles. And you have to put SAC, S-A-C-C, in the code field when you check out from our website. So from Katarina and
Brittany
and Walter
and Victor,
a big God Jul!